Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Hema on happiness or lifestyle. And today, as you can see, I think you can say what I'm doing today. That's what I'm wearing. I'm going to be doing a Old Navy haul. Oh, I thought it was written Old Navy here. Sorry. So I'm going to be doing a Old Navy haul, and that is why I just actually wore one of the Old Navy tops that I had got. So this is all clearance stuff. I usually most of the time Old Navy, anywhere actually, I actually go and only pounce on the clearance stuff. So this is some of my, I can say, a huge haul from Old Navy, and I've kept it for a while actually, and I have more stuff. I have another bag which I'll do in another haul because it's all like tights and stuff that they are good, but I wanted to more like wear and show them. But these ones I'm not sure. Some of them I might show you guys, like wear it, but others I'm just going to like show it just like that because they're just tops. So firstly, let me show you this one. What is it written? Stay amazed. So I just love the color. I thought the color was like beautiful. I love this like mustardy yellow color. So it's just a plain sweatshirt, and let me see if you can see more. Okay, I'm not wearing a matching pant for this, but anyway, so there you go. So this one was on clearance for just a simple one. It's a small size, and it was on clearance for $10.99. So $10.99. So I got this. So I do love this color very much. It's not summer now, but I like it. I like this color. So now let me get on with the rest of the stuff. I think I have two that are kind of dresses. So I might like do a try on for those, but other ones are just like, you will be able to see that just like the sweatshirt. So I don't think you guys need to see me like try them on. So let's see, let's look at them. Now these two dresses that I'm showing, I probably will do a try on. I will see. Otherwise also I'm just going to show it full length to you guys. So this one is this black and white checks dress, like a shirt dress, and I will show you the whole thing, but I just want to say how much it was first. So this was $12.97. Sorry, I actually thought it was the dress, the shirt dress. It's not a shirt dress actually. It's just something that you can wear over tights. So I'm just wearing it over my black tights here, and I guess I was a little more thinner when I bought it, probably because I've already put on a little more tummy weight here now. So anyway, so this is that, and I got confused because I do have another one that I bought which is pretty much similar pattern, but it's a dress. So that's why when I looked at it and when I wore it, I was like shocked. I was like, oh my god, how can it be so short? But this is actually just the shirt. So in a different Old Navy haul, I'll show you that other one which I'm talking about. So that was a dress. So second one is this. Yeah, these are all kind of summery. I actually got them just after summer or something. That's why they were on sale. And then this one, I do not have the tag on. I probably removed it because I had taken it. Yeah, I was going to wear it, so I think I removed the tag because of that. So I don't have the tag, but it was kind of like, it was $8.99 or something like that. So this is also just a simple like sleeveless dress. What are these called? They're called something twill dresses or something like that. I forgot what they are called. This is how the dress looks. It's pretty simple dress with the pleats here. So the pleats, kind of spread out so that it's not too tight on you. So I love this dress too. That's how it looks. Now this one is just a top. It's like this red, actually not red, yeah, pinky red. It's written 1994. And all these sweatshirt, I love sweatshirts, like that's what I wear when I'm at home and all. This one is 347, which is really good price. The reddish pinkish top looks again just plain simple, you know, sweatshirt, and like you can see, I can kind of hide my tummy with this a little bit, not too much. Okay, now this one is pretty cute. And this was very less. This was like 199 or some. Wait, was it 199? Oh no, this was not 199. Sorry, I have something that was 199. I got. This is 1099, and I think it's because of the fabric. This cloth is really nice, and it's really pretty, and it looks like that. So it's just a sleeveless top, and it has like that sweatery kind of feel, but it has a shine also on it. So the fabric is good. Maybe that's why even on clearance it was like 10.99 even after clearance. And was it, how much was it before? God, I can't see it. Okay, there was 2 tags on it, so something. This is an extra small. I just removed that off. So this is an extra small. So that is that. And the next one is, I had got one more with this. It said like Super Mom or something. I think I started using it already. I started wearing it. Now this one is just simple. It says Raising the Future. It's a small size. I put on a little weight, so I'm trying to, like, I'm getting all smaller sizes nowadays, not extra small. Some things is fine, extra small, but others, like this also was 3.99. So this was 3.99, just a plain with just a design there, and slight graphics, and just a black t-shirt. I love like simple t-shirts. I love them very much. Like simple white t-shirts, black t-shirts are my favorite. I do have a lot of black and white t-shirts. This is just a t-shirt, a simple t-shirt. This is how long it is. Then this one is also just a simple, like this is that cotton kind of material, and just a tank top. And only thing is it has this holes here in between, like, you know, like the see-through holes here. Yeah. So, but I mean, it's not that bad because it comes right here and then right there. So anyway, when I wear such things, I'm always going to wear like something over it, like a jeans jacket or something like that. So it doesn't really matter. So just a cotton tank top, and this is an extra small. This was 247. Maybe this is what I got confused when I was saying one something. So this was 247 on clearance. So just simple things, guys. I like Old Navy for like just basics and stuff, because that's what we wear like every day, right? So then I got this white one. It says Old Navy extra small, and this was 449. 449. And just like a cotton white, plain white tank top. And I love this. It's a little longer too, so I like it. So perfect to wear inside for leggings and stuff. So I got a lot of pinks in whatever I bought now, and a lot of yellows, like mustard yellows, other kind of yellows, bright yellows, everything. This is again another mustard yellow. Like I said, I'm already wearing one pretty same color, and I got again another one. But this one, like the style is different, right? This is just like a typical like sweatshirt, and this was 594. I mean 549, sorry. This was 549, and it just has the lines, and the difference is, like, you know, the way the sleeve is, and then the cut is a little different. It has this first is this shape, and then this cut also here. So that's why I liked it, because it does that kind of that cut look in the bottom. You can see there's a cut here, so the cut kind of, you know, gives it a little bit of that shape and doesn't sit too tight here. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Come see me in my next video. Take care. Love you all. Bye, guys. And please do not forget to subscribe. I really need to reach 1,000 and I'm really working hard trying to make videos for you guys. And please, you know, subscribe to my channel and click the like button also if you like the video, and comment below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys. Love you all.